Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something truly exciting to talk about: the all-new Sony PlayStation Portal. This sleek device is not just a gaming console, but a portal to a whole new level of immersive gaming experience. Let's dive in. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy Sony PlayStation Portal at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's get started now. First things first, it comes with gorgeous 8-inch LCD screen. The visuals are absolutely stunning, providing a crystal clear canvas for your gaming adventures. Speaking of gaming, this beauty is 60 frames per second capable at 1080p resolution, ensuring smooth gameplay and vivid graphics. All of your favorite games at your fingertips without a lag. Getting into your favorite games has never been faster. The PlayStation Portal lets you dive into gaming almost instantly, eliminating those annoying loading times and getting you straight to the action. Now, let's talk about the magic of the DualSense wireless controller. The PlayStation Portal takes full advantage of the DualSense features, providing a level of immersion that's truly breathtaking. Feel the tension of a bowstring, the kickback of a powerful weapon. It's gaming like you've never experienced. But here's where it gets even more exciting. With the PlayStation Portal Remote Player, you can play your PS5 console over your home Wi-Fi. That means console quality controls right at your fingertips, giving you the freedom to game anywhere in your home without compromise. Imagine gaming in your living room, then seamlessly switching to the bedroom without missing a beat. The PlayStation Portal makes it possible. And there you have it, guys, the Sony PlayStation Portal. A gaming experience that's not just immersive, but also incredibly versatile. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, this might just be your portal to a whole new world. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the PlayStation Portal. Until next time, happy gaming!